Hello Pandora lovelies, welcome to another episode of Dora's Box. We'll have to stop meeting like this, or maybe I'll have to stop shopping like this, but anyway, I'm here with you to share an exciting opening of my latest Pandora shopping. So let's see what is in the Pandora goodie bag. We have two boxes. First, the little baby one, and then the big one. So we'll start with the small one and see what we have. So this is from the winter collection of this year, and it's called the Galaxy Blue Star Murano charm. And what is different about this charm is, unlike normal Muranos, it actually has a lot of detail around the core. Normally Muranos just have a plain core here, but this one, as you see, it has lots of little cut out stars, and they're on both sides as well. So for me, this was a really exceptional piece and something that I had to have from the winter collection. It's just so beautiful. Each Murano glass is different. And you can see this one, it has sparkles throughout the glass, but then there's also some little air bubbles as well throughout the glass. And the blue colour is right at the base. So if I just angle it, you can see the top is clear glass, but this midnight blue is almost painted onto the bottom. And there's this like a swirling dark line, almost mauve coloured, that goes around as well. So it's really detailed, really beautiful. This is definitely going to be something that I use as a centerpiece because it has so much wow factor. So that is my charm. And in this big box, ooh, wow. So this is the UK winter ornament. And it was a bit controversial this year because the UK and America had different versions of the winter ornament. This one is a ceramic version. And it's a snowflake design with a star on one side here and then the larger star on this side with navy blue details. And the ribbon to hang it on is also navy blue with white logo. And then there's this extra star which is engraved with the Pandora logo. It's a nice little touch there. So I wasn't going to get this to start with. Pandora was offering this as a gift with purchase in the UK with a spend, but then they must have had excess, and eventually they did, just for one day only, they did a special offer: buy anything, no matter the spend, from the e-store, and you'd receive this for free. So I thought, well, twist my arm then, why not? And although I could have bought something cheaper, I decided to get something that I really wanted, which was this gorgeous Murano. And actually the blue from this Murano matches really nicely to this ribbon here. So I think this will probably get used in my photos for review purposes as well. So that is my box opening for today. And you know that I'm addicted to Pandora and addicted to shopping, so I'm sure there'll be another one in a few days' time, so stay tuned to see what's on the next Dora's box. And also, before I go, just a quick peek at what I'm wearing. We have the 3 Pandora Me rings in green, purple and blue, and the little pearl dangle. And then I've got some Disney love going on today on the open bangle there. Have a nice day. Thank you for joining me. Lots of love, and please give me some likes. Take care. Bye.